Hello, 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 hello. This is your girl, Sharon Naraine, and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State in Claremont, Florida. Yes, hello, hello, hello. Sorry about that, I had an interruption again. And folks, what I want to talk to you tonight about, I am into this fantastic mailing club, folks. Yes, you heard me right. You know what? This works out great. Now, I will give you a little bit synopsis why I'm bragging about this cash in the box. And here's the reason why. I am so thankful that when I was introduced to this program by Steven, I am so glad that he told me about it, and I'm so glad that I take up the opportunity. And here's the reason why. Because right now, as a matter of fact, my husband was hospitalized, was in the hospital, and I can begin to tell you how wonderful it is that I had the opportunity to be there with my husband, to stay with my husband, to talk to the doctor, to know every single detail. Okay, and I remember not so long ago, a few years back, when I was in the corporate world, my son was sick. Okay, had the flu and was crying all night. I was up with him, and I did not feel to leave my son. I think he was like 12. No, he was like 14 years old. Yes, 14, 15. And what had happened is that my baby was sick, was not well, and I dread that morning when I had to wake up. I didn't sleep much. I had to go to work. I said, oh my goodness. So what I did is that I called. So when I called, to explain that my baby is not well, and please, if I can, have some time off so I can take my child to the doctor. Lo and behold, I was not given the time off. I was not. They said, well, if it's not a life and death situation, then find somebody or to take him to the doctor or do whatever. But it's important for me to go because at that time I was a national account manager for Staples corporate office. Yes, Staples corporate office. I was given like over 1,000 accounts that I was handling all across the continental USA. Well, folks, why I'm saying that, see what had happened is that, I realized that I am working for somebody else. I realized I could not take the time off to take care of my baby. I realized that I am making somebody else rich. I realized that I have to get permission. I have to go through the hoops just to be with my loved one. And brings me to the point that now that my husband is not well and I was there every step of the way. And here's what happened. It's because I am my own boss. You heard me right. I am my own boss. Folks, so I want to encourage you. Be your own boss. Be your own boss today. If you have a really good job, kudos to you. But you know what? Think about it. If you do not get time off like that to take care of your child or to take care of your parents or to take care of your loved ones, then you need to think really hard to find a part-time job in the meantime so that push comes to shove, you have something to fall back on. Folks, many people started out part-time, and then next thing you know, they fire their boss, or many are still doing it as a side hustle. So folks, back to the moral of the story is that I am so thankful that I have joined this business. Cash in the box. Cash in the box. It is exactly as how it sounds. So folks, I would like to talk to those of you, the stay-home moms, the stay-home dads, the retirees, the baby boomers who, oh my goodness, soon gonna be retired or have retired. For the firefighters, the teachers, the students, college students. Yes, you heard me right. The college students, we have many of them are making good money with this program. So those of you I'm talking to, even entrepreneurs like myself, because like as I said, I am, I'm a stay-home mom now. Stay-home caregiver for my mommy. Taking care also now of my husband and my mother. It's a privilege and a joy. So, folks, here's the deal. All you need to do is to hit the bell and then also to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I will put all the information, my link to this amazing direct mailing club, Cash in the Box. I'm going to put the link down below. Also, what you need to do is that if you have any question, please make a comment, ask me any question, and also if you want to call me, that's fine, 352-805-9846. 352-805-9846, folks. Also, you can go to my website, which is createwealthwithsharon.com, and that's createwealthsharon.com. createwealthwithsharon.com. And folks, you can see what I'm doing. Oh my, I wish if I can show you all the mailings that I have to send out. It is very simple, folks. All you need to do is just to put this brochure, fold it with a cover letter, stuff it in this envelope, put your return, your return, that's my return address there, and then also where it is going to, and your stamps. See your stamps right here. Now, when you join this program, folks, we have many levels. Let me tell you, $25 level, $50 level, $100, $200, $300 level, $500 level, $1,000 and $2,000 level. Yes, folks, $2,000. Imagine somebody sign up at that level. That's $2,000 immediately goes into your account. Okay, whether you have Cash App, you have Venmo, you have Zelly, you have PayPal, you have whatever way you would like to get your money. Many people mail their money to you as cash, money order. You name it, folks. So at any rate, again, this Cash in a Box, you can choose which level, how much money you want to get started with. Okay, because at what level you're at, that's how when somebody sign up, you will be making that kind of money. Alright, folks? So, I would highly recommend you come in at the highest level as possible. If not, do the best you can. Think about it. How much money you want to make, and you can always upgrade later. So, folks, let's say, for example, I'm giving you an example. Let's say if you join at the $100 level, okay, and you share this flyer, this mailing goes out, or you can even share it on, social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever social site, for free. You share that, and let's say at $100 level, you're at $100. Somebody comes in and they join at the $100 level. Okay, let's say 5 people at $100 level. Folks, that's $500 come directly to you. $500. 10 people, you're talking about $1,000. Folks, this is unlimited income. You can make this over and over. Okay, there is no auto ship. You don't have to spend any more money on anything. This is a one-time shot. One time. If you pay one time $100, you're going to be making that back multiple times. Okay, as these flyers go out, folks, let me emphasize that this is an amazing, amazing opportunity for anyone, especially for those stay-home moms, dads, entrepreneurs, baby boomers, college kids, students, you name it, folks. Okay, do not pass up on this. Alright, just go to my website, which is createwealthwithsharon.com. I will put the link someplace down below. Okay, hit the bell as well, subscribe to my channel, and as well as when you hit the bell, you will be getting notification when I do a video. And then also click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. Again, folks, this is Sharon Naraine coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State with cash in the box. These are all money in here, folks. Money return. Okay, so until then, peace out. Take care. Bye for now.